How to fix Message Plus keeps stopping. Solution 1. Clear Message Plus cache and data. On your Android device, go to Settings. Go to Apps. Scroll through the installed apps list and open Message Plus. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. Then tap on Clear Data, and select Delete. Return to the installed apps list and tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Storage. Again, tap on Clear Cache. Lastly, tap on Clear Data, and select Delete. Restart your Android device. Hold down the power button, and tap on Restart. Tap on Restart to confirm. Solution 2. Update Message Plus. Open Google Play Store. In the search box, type in Messages Plus or Verizon Messages and tap the magnifying glass to search for the app. If an update is available, instead of the Open button, you will see an Update button. Tap on the Update button and wait for the app to update. Solution 3. Reinstall Message Plus. If you're using a Verizon Message Plus APK, you might want to uninstall the app and download it from the Google Play Store. On your Android device, go to Settings. Tap on Apps. Scroll through the installed apps list and open Message Plus. Tap Uninstall. Then tap OK to confirm. Then go back to the home screen and open Google Play Store. In the search box, type in Messages Plus or Verizon Messages and tap the magnifying glass to search for the app. Tap the Install button. Solution 4. Update the Android operating system. On your Android device, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Software Update. Then tap Download Updates manually. Let the device download and install all the pending software updates. Solution 5. Perform a factory reset. On your Android device, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Then tap Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Note that the Factory Data Reset will erase all of the data on your device. Then tap Reset. Tap Delete All, and your device will be reset. Thank you for watching.